In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Google Calendar. Automate calendar scheduling. We're going to turn a simple spreadsheet into calendar events with just a few clicks and then set it to run on a schedule so your calendar stays up to date automatically. This is perfect for managing appointments, team schedules, or recurring tasks from one central place. First, prepare your Google Sheet. In row 1, create headers for title, date, start time, end time, description, and email. Each row beneath those headers will become one calendar event. For example, your title might be Meeting with Client, the date could be 03/15/2026, start time 10 o'clock a.m., end time 11 o'clock a.m., and description, project discussion. The email column is where you'll put the attendee's email address if you want to add guests to the event. Keep your date and time formats consistent throughout the sheet, and make sure your sheet and calendar time zones match to avoid timing issues. A quick tip: avoid blank rows in the middle of your data and double check spelling of the headers so the script can read them correctly. Next, open the app's script editor. With your Google Sheet open, go to Extensions, then choose Apps Script. This will open a new tab with the script editor. If you see any starter code, delete it so you're starting fresh. Now paste the script that creates your events from the sheet. Once your code is in place, click Save and then click Run. The first time you run it, Google will ask you to review and authorize permissions, confirm your account, read the access request, and click Allow to proceed. After authorization, run it again if needed. Your events will start appearing in Google Calendar, typically within a few seconds. Refresh your calendar view to confirm everything looks right. Check that titles, times, descriptions, and guests match the rows in your sheet. If you want this to happen automatically, set up a trigger in App Script. Open triggers, add a new trigger, choose the function named Create Calendar Events, set the event source to Time Driven, and pick a schedule that fits your workflow, such as every hour or every day. Save the trigger. From now on, the script will run on that schedule and keep your calendar updated without you lifting a finger. That's it. You've connected Google Sheets to Google Calendar and set up automation, so scheduling takes care of itself.